Hey people, sometimes we watch this type of error, especially when we are trying to install Windows from a flash drive. Because we don't know, what is our hard drive or flash drive type, is it GPT or MBR? In this video we learn this lesson. How we find our hard drive type. Let's get start. Right-click on Windows, then go to Disk Management. You can see here is my all hard drive which is connected with my computer. I have 4 different hard drive. You can see your connected hard drive here. This is my USB flash drive. I will download Windows 10 here in flash drive, so need to check my flash drive type. Click the mouse right button on the disk number which you want to check. Then click Properties. A new window will appear, then click Volume. Here you can see the partition style. And this is your partition type. In my case it's MBR. Similarly, you can check other disk, which is in the list. That's it. Thanks for watching Tech Janala. Subscribe for inspiration to upload more tech videos.